you've ever wanted a simple way to bring both style and organization into your home, this little shelf does the trick. Designed with a sturdy iron frame and a waterproof solid top, it is built to last while still looking great on your counter, your vanity, your desk, or your bedside table. One of the best parts, man, assembly is incredibly simple. It took me only about 5 minutes, and that includes a little bit of time hunting down a screwdriver. Now, everything you need is included in the box, including a little screwdriver, but I wanted to use a full-size screwdriver. So just a few quick, easy steps and you're ready to go. It's also got anti-skid pads on the bottom to make sure it stays put without scratching any of your surfaces and makes it kind of self-leveling. Now, you might be wondering, does it need to be mounted to the wall? Not at all. It is freestanding, so you can move it to wherever you need it most. In the bathroom for toothbrushes and soaps and cotton balls, or maybe by the bed for books and glasses, or keep it in the living room as a stylish stand for some candles or little plants, whatever you need. It's just about 16 inches tall. It's got a pretty slim footprint. It tucks really nice into a corner or a small space without taking over too much room. It's a real clean, simple design, so it looks good in most modern spaces. So whether you're treating yourself or giving it as a thoughtful gift for a housewarming birthday or holiday, this shelf is proof that practical can still be beautiful.